Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro using your phone. So, we have a few options how to use a phone to charge our earbuds. The first one is to use it with a cable, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one, at the back side of the charging case, we have USB-C port, so connect it here. In the front side, we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. But as I said previous, we have a few options. So the second one is to use reverse wireless charging, if your phone supports this technology. You need to enable it in the application, and you just put it at the back side of your phone, and right here we also see this LED light. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!